A camera that feels intelligent, responsive, alive, as if it's designed not only to record moments, but to anticipate them. That's the Canon EOS R4, a camera built for creators who demand speed, precision, emotion, and reliability all at once. This is not just another tool. This is a creative partner for those who refuse to miss the moment where everything comes together. From the instant you pick it up, the R4 feels purposeful. The grip sits naturally in your hand, the controls fall exactly where your fingers expect them to be, and the body carries that unmistakable Canon confidence, strong, refined, balanced. It is the kind of camera that invites you to move, react, explore, and create without hesitation. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. You're not fighting through menus or adjusting endlessly. You're present, focused, locked into the scene unfolding in front of you. Because the Canon EOS R4 is built for one thing above all else, capturing moments that never repeat. A burst of energy on a sports field. A split-second expression during a wedding ceremony. Wildlife moving through nature with power and grace. Human emotion in motion, unpredictable, fleeting, impossible to recreate. These are the moments photographers live for, and this camera is designed to chase them fearlessly. The autofocus feels almost intuitive, tracking eyes, faces, movement, and subjects with precision that borders on instinct. It doesn't hunt. It doesn't hesitate. It locks, and it stays locked, even when the world refuses to stay still. You press the shutter, and you're not just freezing time, you're preserving a story. The magic continues in the way the R4 renders images. Canon color science has always had a signature look, warm, emotional, expressive, and here, it feels richer than ever. Skin tones appear natural and honest. Highlights glow softly instead of blowing out. Shadows carry depth and atmosphere. Whether you're capturing golden hour light across a landscape, documentary moments in unpredictable environments, or portraits filled with character and nuance, the R4 delivers images that feel cinematic rather than clinical. It doesn't just show what something looked like. It shows what it felt like. Low-light performance becomes another superpower. You step into dimly lit streets, concert halls, receptions, nighttime cityscapes, places most cameras struggle, and instead of grainy chaos or soft blur, you get clarity, texture, mood. The R4 turns darkness into canvas. It lets you tell stories where light is scarce, but emotion is strong. Because life doesn't wait for perfect lighting, and the most meaningful moments rarely happen under studio conditions. And then there's speed, not just frame rate speed, but creative speed. The shutter feels decisive. Continuous shooting feels effortless. Every frame flows smoothly, every sequence captured with confidence. Whether you're tracking athletes, wildlife, dancers, or fast-moving real-world action, the camera keeps up without breaking rhythm. It feels less like a device, and more like an extension of your awareness. Then we step into video, where the R4 transforms from a photographic instrument into a cinematic storytelling machine. The footage breathes with depth and richness. Motion is smooth and organic. Autofocus glides across a scene with fluid precision, tracking subjects like characters in a film rather than objects in motion. Colors remain consistent and natural.